Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam, and I'm back. Hopefully, officially, man, because I probably say that in like all my videos, man. But today, I got some new content I'm working on as we speak right now. If you could tell by the title, your boy done it, man. I done built a PC, my very first PC I done built. You know what I'm saying? So, don't look at this video as a tutorial, because it's definitely not a tutorial, man. It's just something I wanted to do. I've been watching YouTube videos on it for a while, man, and it was caught my interest, and I'm a gamer, so I wanted to see what it was like to build a PC, you know. So this PC is it's probably like, I think it's about $1,000 bill, little over. Besides my peripherals and my monitors and everything, man, I had added. But yeah, man, this build was pretty fun. I had a real good time in doing this build. Took me a while. I'm still doing this video. I'm editing this video on the PC right now, and it's working out excellent. But I need y'all to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. I need a like, thumbs up, man. I appreciate it. If you got anything you want to say, man, shout out or whatever, man, just leave a comment. I read my comments, so I don't get a lot of them. But anyway, just hope you enjoy this video. My first PC build, yeah, and let's go.
What up, guys? Anyway, I switched over to the GoPro, so this is what I have. I got a little setup going on, man. So, man, where do I begin? I ain't never done anything like this before, so you gotta excuse, it's my room. Anyway, damn. So I'm gonna start off with the motherboard. I ain't unboxed any of this stuff yet. They didn't open any of this stuff. I actually had it for like probably like a week now. I've just been sitting. I just actually got the desk, so I was just waiting on the desk. But anyway, I got the MSI, the B450 Tomahawk Max, man. Yeah, this is a motherboard. I'm tripping. Ain't you? This is a motherboard. Haven't done anything with this yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and go through everything I got. I'm gonna link the parts in the down in the description. So that's the motherboard. Graphics card, I end up getting XFX, the Radeon 570, the 8 gig. Man, the graphics cards right now is like real hard to find. Like, obviously I'm gonna upgrade to a better one along down the line if I really start getting into gaming, but this is just for right now. The power supply went with the EVGA 650 BQ. Should be plenty enough power. The 80 plus bronze, you know. For my storage, I will got the Samsung, the A60 Evo. It's only 500 gigs. Like I said, I don't know how much gaming I'm gonna be doing right now, so this should be good enough for right now. If not, I can always upgrade down the line, you know. Also grab the M.2 state drive. This is what Windows will be installed on. One with the 500 gigs. RAMs, one with the T-Force Nighthawk. These are 16 gig RAMs, I believe 8 gig each. One with 2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yeah, 16 gig. Damn, focus. GoPro, man. Right here, the AMD processor. I went with the Ryzen 5. This is a 3600. So this should be good enough. It has the fan stuff already. This right here is just some extra fans, RBG fans up here. Man, I don't know. I never done anything like this before, so I don't know, man. This might take a little while. Keyboard, I forgot what they call peripherals. I'm gonna have to get my lingo down for this PC. I can't sound dumb doing this. Anyway, this is the peripheral, came with the, you digs. Let's see. This, I went with the Dell. This is the Dell. This is 27 curve with the, you gotta make sure you get the 144, you know what I'm saying, the max. Oh shit. Damn, I don't have to, should I edit that out? No, I ain't gonna edit that out. I almost dropped the damn thing, man, I'm tripping. Anyway, and shout out to Mom Dukes for the Christmas gift. I got the NZXT, the H510, the mid tower. So that should be good right there. Oh, I got the little toolkit too, man, because I guess this little toolkit is kind of dope. I got this on Amazon for like 20 bucks, man. It got all the little joints. And then it come with the static, anti-static wristband. Want to ground yourself, so you know, sure nothing you plug that shit in. So I gotta figure out how to use this board to hook this up at. So yeah, man, that's the setup for right now. So let me start unboxing some stuff, man, and I'm gonna try to set this up somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah, I'll be back.
Look, guys, I just wanted to pop in here real quick to let you guys know this is not a tutorial. I know a little bit about what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? So this is just for straight entertainment purposes. So, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't hit that like button or subscribe yet, please do that. I will greatly appreciate it. And yeah, back to this video.
FYI, I messed up. Remember how it's like, how it's supposed to be all the way down? So you're supposed to install like the little nub right here first, and then install it like that. My dumb ass, I had it the other way. So yeah, fix that. That's why I said don't follow me as a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So now that's better. I was wondering, like, how is it all the way up, but then it's pushed all the way down? So yeah, so that's how it's supposed to go. Just like that. Got the fans installed, got the RAMs, got the storage, you know. Oh, satisfaction. Ooh. Cool. Now, let's open the tower. power, the USB. Oh, this is the new USB 3.0, I think it is. Phone jacks. I think that's what it is. Let me see. USB 3.1 Type A and USB 3.1 Gen 2. USB-C connector. That's what it is, USB-C. Alright. Yeah, man. Looks pretty good. Got I know it comes with a fan here and a fan up there. No fans on the side. I got 2 fans for the side, and I think I'm going to replace this fan too. So, yeah. Let's get back to it.